So,
It's everything.
why
You
the
got
light
flash.
room?
You got flash on me.
Oh, flash on me.
Yeah,
Oh
you
yeah.
got flash.
Lonzo TV. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Lonzo, and I'm with
And
my girl
hey,
Rihanna. And
we're
hey,
celebrating New Year's
Lonzo TV
Eve.
broadcast podcast, and yo, my channel will come on the lock on January 14th. So be on the lookout. Subscribe my channel. Hit me up, subscriber for the 2020 New Year about to come up, y'all. We getting our drink
Yeah.
on, so holla though for the peace though. But yeah, I'm live right now, y'all. For y'all want to hit that chat, hit the screen. Y'all can hit the screen right now though. But come up with this video. I'm gonna post it up and upload it on my YouTube, my third YouTube live, which is my third channel that I'm about to upload on January 13th. You know, yeah, Lonzo
Three.
live TV. Well, yeah, it's gonna be my girl gonna be added on there in June.
Hey, everybody. Yeah, I'll be
And
adding
tell
on.
them,
I'll
tell them
be adding
about
on to
yourself, baby.
what?
Tell them about yourself.
Hi, everyone. I'm my boyfriend. I'm his girlfriend, Rihanna. And I'm currently definitely in the process of enrolling in school, and I'm definitely making sure that's happening. Definitely believe that. So, who think I'm not like seriously? I'm serious about it. I'm going back to school, and so that way I can earn my bachelor's and a better salary for myself.
Okay, y'all. And yeah, this
But
new year
definitely
about to
support my
start.
boyfriend's YouTube channel, like he said.
January 13th. About to
January
come in
13th, y'all.
lock, y'all.
January 13th. Okay. And we get the new year this month, actually. January 13th.
Yeah.
So support that. Three.
Lonzo Live, y'all. YouTube channel coming January 13th. Podcasting.
Yeah, like he said, January 13th. So keep up with that,
Hit
okay?
up. Keep the subscribers, girl. Keep my channel going. If y'all hit that like button, and please, because it'll help my channel grow. If y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, it help my channel get up there. You know,
And y'all better
online. Y'all
like
better give me
every
support.
single thing he
And
posts on
y'all,
YouTube, okay?
yeah, look, keep me on the upload and keep my channel live. Hit that like button. If I get like 100 likes or 50 likes, it doesn't matter. As long as I get likes and get views and get all that, because I want my channel to be up live for the 2020. It's upcoming year, y'all. Be on the lookout, y'all. Y'all gotta be on the lookout, y'all. Y'all know that.
Yeah, like he just said, okay? Y'all on the lookout, January 13th, okay?
January 13th. Lonzo Live TV, man. It's coming up. It's coming up. A YouTube channel. I gotta try. I'm trying my best to put it up there, y'all. Trying my best to put it up there on YouTube. You know that. You know I'm trying. Trying my best to put it up. Put my channel up. I'm about to put it up soon. So don't be ashamed. Don't be shy, man. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, hit my chat, y'all. I couldn't go live on the gram, but I'm live on here though. But now I gotta hit me up. Gotta hit me up. The new year about to come and hit me up, and my channel gonna be live throughout this whole year. I'ma have it though. Y'all, this channel. Hit my like button. Give me comments if you got something to say about it, about my YouTube channel, and about what I do, about what my life is. Y'all may not see me right now because my brightening went off, my baby light went off. So yeah, y'all got questions about our couple and how many years we've been together. You can just say it on the chats, on the inbox, and that's it. Yeah, we're gonna be in love for life. We love each other.
For life,
For
yeah.
life. For life. For life.
Life.
Yeah,
Nobody say
for
we're gonna
life.
break up because that's never gonna happen. Never. No.
But baby, we in it for life. So we hit it. Want me in the video? Huh?
Yep.
Okay. It's nice seeing the video, but I'm about to upload it on the YouTube, y'all. But keep a lookout on it, y'all, and give me support. So I'm about to create a channel, a new YouTube channel that's coming up January 14th. Hit me up. Little Lines live TV show premiere on January 13th. Keep a lookout on that. Hit more subscribers and likes, and y'all get more more views and more videos that I get. All right, y'all. See how I do in my life. Yeah. Trying to get that money, trying to get that moolah, just like y'all, man. I need my podcast to get up. All right, y'all. All right.
Give
Holla.
them that
Peace.
money, man.
Peace. Y'all, peace.
We all need money. Give them
Y'all
that
need
money,
it.
man.
Y'all need it. I need my channel to get built up. Okay, y'all. Holla. Holla. Peace. Okay, more.
Happy New Year, too. Happy New Year to everyone.
y'all. Peace. Peace.